Blue color. They are doing coloring. Wow. Dua.
ये कौन है? बाबा है ये. बाबा ये.
Okay. Dua, tell me about colors.
Pink color.
Wow, nice. And this one?
Yellow.
Yellow. And this one?
Green.
Green. And this one?
Red.
Gray. Okay. And this one?
Red.
Red. Okay. And this one?
Purple.
Purple. Beautiful. And this one, Dua?
Brown.
Brown. Too good. This one?
Blue.
Blue. Nice. This one?
Black.
Black. Amazing. This one?
Allah beat.
This one?
Beat.
Peach color. Okay. And this one?
Orange.
Orange. Okay.
Pink.
Pink.
Chicken. Chicken.
Wow, Dua ने कितनी beautiful coloring की. Nice. Lovely.
Chicken.
Chicken.
Green chicken.
Green chicken.
Yellow chicken.
Yellow chicken.
Pink chicken.
Oh. And what is this?
Sun.
Sun.
And what is this? कितने पैदा बने हैं?
Yeah.
Orange बने.
Orange. Yeah, nice.
Nice. And two book.
Two books. Okay.
And what is milk? Doggy milk.
Milk. Okay. Dua, what are you doing? Dua, what are you doing?
And what is this?
What color is this?
Pink.
Pink.
My pink flavor.
Oh, pink is the favorite color. Pink is your favorite color, Dua. Which one is favorite color of Dua?
Book.
Book. Okay. And what is this, Dua?
Line.
Loin. Dua. No, what is this?
Line.
Loin.
And one more chicken.
And Dua, what is this? This?
Elephant.
This is?
Horse.
And this one?
Panda.
Panda. This one? And what is this?
Hippo.
Hippo, no, hippopotamus. And what is this?
Penguin.
Penguin. And this, what is this?
Tiger.
Tiger. Okay. And okay. What is this? Dua? What is this? Tell me, Dua. Dua doing coloring?
Go.
Nice. Dua.
कितने प्यारा बना है.
Wow, beautiful.
Allah hi Allah, Allah hi Allah. Ma copy.
Copy.
देखो copy. Ma copy. Daddy copy da copy.
Okay, and what is Dua?
And what this? And what this?
This Dua.
The copy.
And what this?
Kaki puni.
What this?
Ma kaki puni.
Yeah, keki pony.
Kaki.
And what is this? Dua.
Ma bird.
Bird, okay.
Tiger.
Tiger.
Ma ये tiger पे लिखे दाने. Tiger पे लिखे दाने के.